LOXX brand fastener. This is a quick release snap fastener, and we're going to show you all the different finishes that we have here and also how to install it. So it's a 4-part piece. As you can see here, when you close it, it does not separate. So it locks that ball component up inside a spring locking mechanism. So what we're stocking here, we've got a stainless steel, a nickel plate, a brass, an antique copper, and a black. What it also comes with is a key, or what you'll get separately, I should say, is you're going to get a key as well, and we'll show you what you need that for. So, for setting, we've got a 3/8 inch punch. That's what I prefer. Mallet. Just to line up the sides here. So, I'm going to take the cap part, that comes through, the washer, and what you can see, I'll show you on this part, is you can see those little teeth, and that's going to grab into the leather or the canvas or whatever fabric that you're using to hold it in place. So I'm going to screw that in, and then I'm going to grab the key, and that's going to allow me to tighten this right out. Okay. Nice and flush, a little more. Backside. All right, and grab the washer here, and the same on this side. And we have the long washer LOXX fasteners. There's a few different varieties. We're stocking the long washer on both the top and the bottom components. And these can fit up to 3/16 inch thick leather. So that's installed. That's all it takes. And then once you lock it in there, the release is you simply pull up and off. So key fobs, guitar straps, bags, show you this here, bag flaps. It's a nice lock enclosure, so you can't get in. So it is a security measure as well. But it's also just a nice, different style closure. Variety of applications here. So those are the LOXX brand snap fasteners.